Welcome investors. Today, November 9, market is up. Dow Jones is up around 3% and S&P 500 is 1% up. We are after a couple days when officially Joe Biden crossed 270 points and he most likely will be a next president of the United States. Although those results are not certified yet by the election commission, so it's not official yet. Media already declared the winner, but it's not official yet. But what I would like to talk with you about today is the stock market. Why is it going up? It's supposed to go down because Democrats are the spenders. They increase the taxes. So usually the stock market under their terms of presidential terms is not doing good. And look at this, what's going on right now on the stock market today. Great gains, great gains. Why is it? I don't understand this. Do you understand this? Do you have any good explanation why stock market went extremely up today? Some of the stocks which I own went 10-20%. I'll give you a couple examples. I will use my phone to just go briefly over some of my stocks which I own, and today, Monday, November 9, how much they went up. So, for example, Santander Bank, 16% up. Aurora Cannabis, 14% up. Friday was 56% up. And I understand, cannabis industry, Democrats say that they planning to legalize marijuana. So I understand why Aurora and the rest of the companies are up. Carnival, 39%, almost 40% up. That's amazing. What's happened? Did they started making cruises to the moon or to the Mars or somewhere where we don't know and they have additional stream of income? Absolutely not. All these gains are based on expectations, especially Carnival Cruise, and then Norwegian Cruise Line, 26% up. I'm really happy, I'm not complaining, don't take me wrong. Canopy's Grove, 4%. Honda Motors, 4.5%. Marathon Petroleum, 15% up. It's amazing, it's amazing. Raytheon Technologies, 10% up. That looks like a really great day. JP Morgan Chase, 13% up. I'm really happy. I'm not complaining. Disney, 11% up. So my question is why this is happening. I honestly don't understand this. And I tell you why. And I don't mind not understanding this, because I got those stocks March, April, when they were really down, and I want them to go as high as possible, all the way to the moon. And I never expected them to gain so much right after we will have results and we will have a winner of presidential elections, especially if the new president is a Democrat, which, like I said, Democrats, spenders, not good for the stock market. Republicans, cut the taxes, good for the stock market. That is a traditional take towards those two parties and their influence on the stock market. It looks like tradition doesn't apply anymore. Of course, tomorrow everything can change. Everything can change, and we can have situation that stock will be down, more infection because of the health crisis are gonna start appearing in US, in Europe, and we'll have a stock market going down. But let's just stop on today's day. Huge gains. Huge gains, and I'm assuming slightly that they are dictated, maybe not dictated, but they are coming from the news of having the new president, and the market is reacting that there is no uncertainty. So we know finally, most likely, who is gonna be the president, and market is just picking up the steam. That's my explanation. What do you think? Why market today is going like crazy, and all those stocks which I told you, which I own, went like crazy up? I didn't expect this, actually, I tell you. Over the weekend when I was watching the election and results of the election, I expected Monday being kind of moderate day or on the downside. I never expected those stocks to pick up really much, really that much gains like I told you. So again, if you have any good explanation, I'm sure there's a lot of smart people watching. Please let me know why this is going on, because you will not find out this from this video. I'm making this video to ask you why this is happening, because I honestly don't understand. I'm extremely happy, excited. I won't hide this because I haven't seen those kind of gains. I don't see this kind of gains on my stocks every day. But I'm ready for things also to go down, because I heard that the rate of infection is going up in US and the same in Europe. So it's a great day, and I'm optimistic, but at the same time I'm ready for this, what market is gonna bring us. And another thing which I would like to mention is uranium industry. I wonder how the new administration is going to treat the uranium industry. If they are going to take the uranium and put into the green energy, if they're gonna consider, if they're going to put the uranium to the basket, the same basket with wind and solar, or they're gonna put the uranium into the same basket with coal and gas and oil. That will be very interesting for me to watch, because as if you watch my previous videos, I do own a lot of uranium stocks, and eventually this industry will pick up. If it's not going to pick up during next 4 years, I'm sure it will pick up eventually later. And like I said in my previous video, there's always international demand. US is not the one country which is consuming uranium. All over the world there is nuclear power, there are nuclear power plants, and the demand will start picking up slowly. So that is my take in this really happy day on the stock market. I don't know why, like I said. If you know, please drop me a comment below this video and let me know why we have such huge gains. Another thing which came to my mind was that current president Donald Trump made so many enemies by his speeches, by his angry speeches, and many times offending a lot of people, and that might be also the explanation. I'm not sure, but that's something which came to my mind, that Market is a reflection of certain group of people. Market is not without emotions. People think that market is just the numbers. They sit down and sometimes they check the values, they check these intrinsic values, they check all these numbers, and they expect, if this is looking this year this way, then in a couple of years we'll have this much dividends, this much revenue growth. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Market is a collective brain of many people, and you cannot just translate this into the numbers. It won't ever work like this. Even if we have 10 times faster computers than those which we have right now, there will be always surprises on the market, like today. Like I said, Democrats market supposed to slowly go down, not explode. And it did explode, and this is unexpected. So thank you so much for watching this short video. Again, if you have any good explanation to this, why the market is going up today under the future 4 years under the Democratic leadership in US, please let me know. Also, US is not the center of the world, so market might be reacting towards the different news, towards different info coming from all over the world. That might be the case, and I might have missed this. If you know this, please let me know. I would like to hear from you. But anyway, this is a great day, happy day. I'm gonna enjoy this day. I'm gonna pop the champagne and drink a little bit, just a little bit, because this is just the one day. So I'm not gonna go crazy. Just I would say half of the glass of champagne. The rest I will close and keep for the future. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you are staying healthy and well. Thank you again. Hope you have a great day.